Hey, this video is going to serve as a quick walkthrough of the VideoXQ-AI app so you know how to log in and get started right away. And of course, there's going to be more detailed videos in the tutorial section. But to get started, all you have to do is log in here, go to My Videos, and you can create a video from scratch, or you can pick from a bunch of done-for-you templates. Now, I recommend creating a video from scratch, although the templates are great and they have done for you voiceovers and characters. What's so great about VideoXQ-AI is you can use AI technology to create really unique explainer videos no one else has made before, just by typing in some keywords basically. And the way you do that is you're just going to go up here to where it says create video, give it a title, choose if you want it to be HD, and then what type of video layout. So it's working for real videos, YouTube videos, and I'm going to hit create video. And then first we want to do is give it a script. So you just want to go up to here to AI generation, and then have the AI generate us a VSL script. So say for example we're working with a I don't know, construction company, for example. We can call it Ben's Construction. We just give the product or the business a name here, and then we're going to fill out a description about what we want the VSL to be about. Now, there's other options here where you can see you can add like the target audience, people who want home repair, unique selling point. The more information you give the AI, of course, the more specific it can make the script. But you actually don't need to fill out all this. You really just need to just put in the product description, really. And then we can even choose the character count. So if you want the VSL to be a certain length, so for example, most short explainer videos are about 400 to 500 characters. You can enter that as well, and it's going to try to get the script down to a specific amount of characters as well. And then we just hit generate with that button there, and then it takes about 15 to 30 seconds to write the script for us. And now we have our script ready to go. And we can go ahead and edit it or cut it down if we need, because this editor here allows us to edit anything about it. And then we can go ahead and save it. And in fact, if you want to generate the script from scratch, but you don't want to get rid of that one, you can just save it, generate another one till you get the one that you want. And then we can go to save text here, and then just copy all of it. All right, and then start making the video. And then now what we want to do is probably add a voiceover to it. Now, VideoXQ-AI comes with the most realistic voiceovers. And to add a voiceover, we're just going to go to audio, text to speech, paste in that script it just made, enter a name, audio name for it, and then we can select our language. So it's working with every major language out there. So we probably want English. So let's go to English, United States, and then voice ID. So it's coming with many different types of realistic voices. We can just pick Jenny here, but if we want another one, you can pick male, female, old, young, and then it created our voiceover right away. And then we can just play it real quick here.
Attention homeowners, is your home in need of repair? Get the professional
Okay, so that sounded pretty good so far. And then we can just go ahead and add it in a click. Just hit insert audio. And then if it's saying, please increase your project duration, then we just need to go down here to where it says the timeline. It says it's 30 seconds right now. So you just hit edit, can make it, whatever, something longer. And then we should be able to insert the audio. All right, awesome. And we can see we have an audio track created. And then we just need to add the explainer animations. Now, the way you do that is we're just going to click on animation here. And then it takes a second to load the animation library. And basically what it is a big selection of fully animated scenes in tons of different like, niches and topics. So let's just scroll down here. There's characters, as you can see. There's niches for local businesses, online businesses, background effects, sports, fitness, music, dancing, just general effects to make the video look really high-end and professional. And I think there should be construction as well. There we go, building and construction. And then we see all these animated scenes here. And then all you have to do is, preview one. Okay, that looks pretty cool. This one looks cool as well. Okay, I like this one better. Then we're just going to go ahead and click Add. And just make our scene as big or small as we want with the drag and drop editor. All right, so now we have our audio track and our scene here. And if we play it, we can actually,
Attention homeowners.
There we go.
Is your home in need of repair?
You can hear the audio and the scene, see the scene being played out. All right, and then if you want, you can also add some text to it. So we can just go to regular, add text. You can see there's all these fancy presets. There's also ways to edit the text and change the color. So attention homeowners, I think that was the first thing it said. Of course, you can check the script again as it's saved. And we can go ahead and maybe add like a background color. And then make like the text white maybe. There we go. That looks cool. All right, and then what we can do is also add, like a background. So you can also go to backgrounds here, and you can add a video background, image, color. So let's just drag the editor where we want our background here, and then we can add something like white and blue. All right, that's looking good. And of course, I'm using the drag and drop editor here. You can just click these different icons and then drag them to where you want them to show up on the timeline. Okay, so that's one comes in first. And if you want, something to be layered over something else, you just go up here to layers, and then you can just drag it and pull it down or up. So this will allow you to, for example, have the text over the animated scene if you need. All right, and then you can make it really fancy by adding some cool transitions. So you just click on, for example, this, and you hit animate. And then we can have something like, sliding in left, like that. And then let's go ahead and play it.
Attention homeowners, is your home in need of repair?
All right, that's looking pretty cool. And also we can do things like delete, the background if we don't like it like that, and we can add something like an animated background as well. So let's go ahead and do that. And as you can see, the creators have really gone to great lengths here to really make the videos like actually great, right? So it's not just explainer videos that are sort of like junky looking, but stuff that that if you paid thousands of dollars for, you would expect it to look like thousands of dollars. So here's the background effects. Now these are really cool. So if you want it to rain, you can go ahead and add rain to it. All right, and then of course we want to make sure that scene here is at the bottom. All right, so let's play that.
Attention homeowners, is your home in need of repair?
All right, so it's looking pretty cool. And there's far more you can do. Now you can click on video, and you can actually search a gigantic library of footage to add. So it's not just isometric animations. You can add cartoons, video footage to it. You can add animated graphics that you can upload, or from a graphics library of like sort of individual animated type scenes, like this. Of course, we can add jingle music in addition to the realistic voiceovers. So you can go to library here and add some jingle music to it. Just go ahead and play it and then add. And then just hit render, and then you have a really great explainer video with, world-class animations, ultra-realistic voiceover from the best AI voiceover service we can possibly find, the best AI script writing we could possibly integrate. That's going to really make sales. You can sell to people on Upwork, and they'd be very happy with the quality that they got. Or you can use it on your product videos for your launches, affiliate products, and much, much more. All right, so this is just a quick walkthrough. There's obviously far, far more to this, and there's going to be more detailed tutorials that you can view as well.